channel. Really excited to get this 28-inch Blackstone griddle assembled today. We've got the spatter guard for the deck, and we've got a new bottle of propane. Stick around, we'll get this thing all put together, seasoned up, and show you the first cook. Excited to have you here. Alright, so I got this thing as a gift, and I'm very excited to give it a try. First thing on the menu is going to be a hibachi dinner, I believe. It's got 28 inches of pure cooking space, and we've got a rear grease trap so you don't have a mess on your hands. Runs off propane. This one has 2 burners. It's got an igniter on it, so you can have 2 cooking zones, as you can see in the bottom right corner here. And they're saying this thing actually can do quite a bit of cooking. 24 pancakes, 27 sticks of bacon. I mean, this thing's gonna be plenty of space for everything that we need to cook for myself and the family and friends as well. So stick around, we're gonna get this thing assembled, as I said, and I'm really excited to give it a try. If you like this video or any of the content we've got on the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button below, hit the bell so you make sure you get notifications. We're going to try to do weekly videos, so everything that you do to support us is going to help us create more videos going forward. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed, and then we'll go through all the components that it's got and figure out how we're going to put it together. Alright, so we're all unboxed, and we've got the base, which has the burners, and you can see the knobs will be on that side, and you got the griddle itself, which is very heavy, and I don't know what this piece is, maybe for the side, and we've got our casters and all of our hardware, screws, and there's your knobs and instructions. So let's get this thing together. Alright, so we're all assembled here. Assembly actually wasn't too bad at all. A couple of things I learned about this, which was good to know going forward. As far as wrenches, really only need a 10mm, 17, and a 15mm. Screwdriver would be helpful, but not necessary as well. Overall, I mean, putting it together really is just a few screws. You know, obviously, got to put your legs on, and not the legs are actually already there, but you got to put your casters on the legs. And then these actually are just, you hand tighten those things so you can fold this thing up and take it with you, tailgating, or if you're going to a relative's and you're looking for a nice griddle. So the top itself just kind of sits on here, and as you slide it back, it locks in, kind of like a keyhole design, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so we'll get our bottle on and get it fired up. It's got the rear grease trap, just kind of locks into place here, which is great, nice and easy to dump that thing out as needed. But yeah, overall I'm very excited for this, and can't wait to get it seasoned up and use it. One other thing I'll mention is the spatter guard here. So I got this at Lowe's. I used it on my other grill, my Camp Chef grill, and it works really well on this composite decking. So you got to be careful not to have something that's got a backing on it, like a rubber backing, that can actually discolor the decking. This is TimberTech, and I spoke with the manufacturer TimberTech, and they said, yeah, you got to have something that can basically breathe. So this is like a felt-like material, and I've had my other one for a year. It actually had it out all winter, and it held up really well. So these things are pretty reasonable. I think I only paid like, I don't know, 15 bucks maybe. So it's definitely worthwhile, and it absorbs grease. I don't know about fire, but you shouldn't have to worry about it with you know, with the Blackstone. So, but yeah, we'll get this thing fired up, and in my next video we'll show you how to season this thing and get a first cook going. Thanks again for joining us, putting this Blackstone griddle together today. Next time, watch for a video. We'll be doing the seasoning, and another video for the first cook. Got the propane all hooked up. Need a AA battery in here, and it fires right up. No problems at all. So very excited to get it seasoned up and use it. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.